Today, I'm going to tell you how to make the perfect juice for weight loss, which is called the Lauki juice or the bottle gourd juice. It's also called the dudhi in some places. For this, I've taken 1 cup of Lauki or bottle gourd, which is chopped nicely. I top this up with some ginger pieces. I add fresh coriander leaves, which are nicely washed and chopped nicely. Add some salt to it. Top it up with some pepper. And then on top of this, I add some lemon juice to provide it a tangy and refreshing taste. I then top this up with some water enough to submerge all of these vegetables. It's now time to grind this well. Post grinding, we need to run this through a sieve to remove all the rough particles from the juice. Post this, we add a spoon of honey. Honey is completely optional depending on how sweet you want the drink to be. Now, our 100% detox dudhi juice or bottle gourd juice is ready to be had. Do like and subscribe for more such videos.